Assalamu alaikum. Marhaban. Ana Maryam Safdar. Hey, I am Maryam Safdar. Welcome to my channel, Maryam Safdar Tajweed Quran. Learn with Maryam Safdar, one of the fastest, easiest, and most fun ways to learn a language. Welcome to my new series, Learn Arabic with Maryam Safdar. In this series, we're gonna learn Arabic in very fun manners. Today, we're gonna do lesson number. We will learn these new words from the book Minhajul Arabiya. Inshallah, our topic is today. Inshallah, we are translate English and Urdu sentence in Arabic. Let's go to the first sentence. Man haza. Let's repeat. Man haza. Who is this? वो कौन है? Answer. هذا رجل. Let's repeat. هذا رجل. This is a man. ये एक आदमी है. Next one. Man zalika. Let's repeat. Man zalika. Who is that? वो कौन है? Answer. ذلك ولد. Let's repeat. ذلك ولد. That is a boy. वो एक लड़का है. Next one. Ma haza. Let's repeat. Ma haza. Let's repeat. Ma haza. What is this? ये क्या है? Answer. Hada kirdun. Let's repeat. Hada kirdun. This is a monkey. ये एक बंदर है. Next one. Ma dhalika. Let's repeat. Ma dhalika. What is that? वो क्या है? Answer. Dhalika kalbun. Let's repeat. Dhalika kalbun. That is a dog. वो एक कुत्ता है. Congratulations, we have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Wada'an, araka kariban. Goodbye. See you soon, inshallah.